So this is HP World Infinity Computers. From there only you can change or upgrade your RAM or SSD and anything with a minimal price. Like what is the that is fixed. They will charge for that only because it is authorized center. You can change it from here. It is near the highway. From VIT it's like 1.5 kilometer, right? All the things are attached compactly. Done, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any other slot for SSD?
No, this is the only slot.
This is the only slot for SSD. This is the SSD, right?
Yeah.
No additional slot.
No additional slot.
Okay, man. Okay.
Actually, if it is little bit thinner,
Yeah.
maybe here we can put a hard disk, but for that we need a SATA cable.
But here is a SATA cable, right? Like port.
Port is there, but we need a cable.
Cable for
the
that.
converter we need.
Okay.
There will be one converter will be like this kind
one.
of thing.
Okay.
Then only we can connect the hard disk.
Okay. Otherwise it's okay. Huh?
Otherwise it's okay. That's it.
Can you clean the fan? Right? It's already cleaned. Yeah.
Already cleaned only. Already fully clean.
Okay, man. Okay.
So it's look like a new one.
The RAM that is inbuilt is Samsung RAM. Already inbuilt.
Samsung RAM तो छेड़ा होगा.
Mostly they will give you the Samsung.
Samsung RAM.
Most of them they will use Samsung. Or else sometimes they will give a.
Or man, hard disk, man, like SSD is Intel.
Some model will comes with Intel, some model will comes with both Samsung or SanDisk.
SanDisk.
Actually, SanDisk also is WD only. It's a WD brand only.
WD brand, Western Digital, yeah.
Yeah, it's also Western Digital. They captured, they bought the company actually.
Yeah.
Previously, it's a different brand. Now the both SanDisk and WD are same.
So इतना ही टाइम लगता है, बस 5 मिनट लगता है इसमें ये खोलने में और लगाने में. घर में करने की कोशिश मत करना, टूट भी सकता है. There is a chance of getting water from this position.
Yeah, it does.
That's a problem. That's like dangerous
ল্যাপটপ
situation.
ওয়াটারপ্রুফ হবে তো ভাবছি
No, that's the thing.
No,
you know.
laptop you can't make with the water.
Yeah, you can't make because
not
you have to give the exhaust for
yeah,
that.
we need an exhaust for it. If you are giving a high-end processor, no?
We have to be cautious. Like we have to save it from the water. That's all.
If you keep any covers, like plastic
Yeah,
covers in
yeah,
the bag, it's a better thing. Because if it is rainy, even if your laptop is
Yeah.
waterproof,
Yeah.
you have to put the laptop on the cover and then you can put it on the bag. Yeah, sometimes if from the zip, the water will get inside from the zip
Yeah.
side.
ব্যাপারটা দেখ গ্রিপের জন্য না
Hmm.
স্লিপ না খেয়ে পড়ে যায়
Grip plus the like screws.
খতম
Let's open it now.
আর যেগুলো করে কি অবস্থা রাখতে পারে যত নিশানে কি বোঝা যাচ্ছে
Yeah. Continue.
Total memory 16 GB.
Total memory you can see like
Here, it's already showing.
it's showing 16 GB. Yeah. So it's done. Thanks. It's 3200 megahertz for the first one,
That is
and
what I
and the second one also 32 megahertz. So its total memory 8192 MB.